We know that Arabic comes from the Semitic family of languages and that it developed alongside other languages in that category, but where does Arabic in particular come from? One very pervasive theory and widely accepted idea is that Arabic originates in southern Arabia and around modern-day Yemen, and that it later from that spread northward across the peninsula. But in fact, recent revolutionary scholarship has suggested that this is actually false. Indeed, it seems that the situation was instead reversed. All of these examples, basically, of the earliest forms or examples of Arabic do not come from southern Arabia, as has been presumed before, but instead all of the examples are from the northernmost part of Arabia, in places like Syria and Jordan. And sometime after this period, it seems that the Arabic language started to spread southward into the Arabian Peninsula. It is in the first couple of centuries AD that we see the first examples of the word Arab being used in southern Arabia. So that's the general picture in the earliest period. Arabic appears in northern Arabia, written by people who were most likely referred to as Arabs, as Arab, either by themselves or by others.
We'll be talking about the rise of Arabic from an epic past to an evidence-based history. However, perhaps not all of us will be pleased by the way that new research rewrites our old understandings. Various ancient forms of Arabic were present many centuries before the rise of classical Arabic in places such as Syria and Jordan.
Now let's look at the story. So we did script. Let's look at the story of language. The first half of the first millennium BCE, we have the southern Levant and northwest Arabia. That's where Arabic, that's the largest concentration of Arabic language that we find. But by the second half, it's starting to move south. We find some Arabic or Arabic type influences at Qaryat al-Faw. And this is the same period that we get in the South Arabian inscriptions mentions of Arab. So it's the second half of the second millennium. So we are looking here at what must have been some kind of migration.